Good morning, my people. You're on the truth, and this is your man, Black Moses, and I come to let you know exactly that the truth. What's going on in crypto? Is crypto done crashing? Going on with the Fed news happening with Shiba Inu now, and we're gonna let you know something juicy at the end of the video. Stay tuned to it. Okay, let's get right into it. So, as we could take a look at Ethereum, this last week has been brutal with Ethereum. Like we've seen a straight decrease. We're on a straight decline right now. But on a positive note, we know why this is happening. So we don't. It's not like a surprise. Oh, look what Ethereum's doing. No, we actually know why this is. There's a cause to this, and it's because of inflation. Like I said in my previous videos. So the inflation has gotten so high to where the government is trying to stop it. They're trying to slow it down. They're trying to put a halt to it. Just take a look at Ethereum. And the last part of this video is going to be crucial. So you need to stay tuned and do me a favor. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more content like this. Like I was saying previously, I've been saying this, but inflation is going through the roof. They haven't seen anything like this in the last 40 years. So that just gives you an idea of what's going on right now. So just in these past 12 months, the wholesale inflation jumps to records of 9.6%. Do you know how big that is? That's why you go in the stores and a pack of wings is just almost doubled almost. And I like my wings. So I'm definitely that definitely raises questions as of what's going on. But this is what's going on. The market's jumping so high, and that's why the government's trying to put a halt to it, because they know if the market gets this high and people starts to notice, then it's going to be a riots and stuff. It's going to be people really upset about these situations. What's going on? But that's definitely the reason. Like you're going to see food going up as they saying it. They telling you right here. And a lot of people not looking because they so distracted by COVID, this coronavirus, uh, Omicron. No, just pay attention to what's really going on. It's a lot of stuff going on in inflation that we need to know about. It's controlling the markets, and you need to know. That's why the whole crypto market right now is basically in a state of fear because it's unknown right now. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if the Fed's going to stop printing the money. You don't know if they're going to keep printing the money and it just keeps rising. But most likely they're going to stop printing some of the money. They're not going to print as much. That's what the panic's coming from. That's where the panic sells. That's why Bitcoin took a $10,000 dip Friday. $10,000. Yeah. It hasn't recovered all the way yet. It bounced back somewhat, but it hadn't completely recovered. And I don't think it's going to completely recover until this news hits on Wednesday. Exactly what they're going to do with basically tapering and maybe the slowing down of printing the money. So this may come into effect really soon. On a better note, we're gonna jump talk about SHIB. I actually love to see when SHIB's doing things. I got in on SHIB maybe 6 months ago, and I made a profit on it, took some out, but I'm definitely holding SHIB. And SHIB could be joining the Robinhood platform by January. So that'll be big for SHIB. That'll be big because as we notice, when the meme coins join Robinhood's platform, they take off even more. So as we can know from Dogecoin, basically SHIB is going to Robinhood. It hasn't been confirmed by Robinhood yet. A lot of people thinking that's where it's headed. I don't doubt that. It's going to be soon, really soon, that it's in the Robinhood. So be looking for that. Let's talk about that I was telling you about at the end. I know a lot of people don't know, but and I would tell you do this wisely because it could be a gift and it could be a curse. So definitely have a plan when you coming towards this. So this is Phoenix. So the thing I like about Phoenix, it allows you to apply leverage to whatever amount of money you have in your account. So you can take $100 and leverage it as if you had $1,000. So of course this is a great opportunity for gain. but also you have to be on your technical analysis. So you have to know where the market's going to trend. I made some money on the market as it was trending down. Knowing all this news with the Feds coming out, knowing all this, I'm knowing that the market is going to trend downwards. So what I did is I applied 100 times leverage to Bitcoin as it was trending down. Just $500, 100 times leverage. But I caught one long sell candle and made $1,000 in one trade. Applying leverage is a smart way to go, especially if you're playing with a little money. Apply some leverage and then you can make a big gain on your little money. Also, you want to be aware though, like I say, technical analysis, you want to be aware that applying leverage, you can easily blow your account. So that's why you have to apply your stop losses, and your take profit. Because if you don't do that, then it's like the market is so volatile, you may end up losing. So when you go to buy something, let's say I was going to buy long. Right here, I'll put in the quantity I want to buy, right? And this is the leverage. So on Ethereum, they only allow you to do 20 times leverage, but on Bitcoin, they allow you to do 100 times leverage. What I mean by setting your take profit and your stop loss, once you're buying, you're going to see this screen pop up, and it's going to basically ask you where you want to take your profit at. So do something like 50% because it's not going to move big. I'm buying long right now because I feel like 36 is the bottom for right now for Ethereum. So I'm going to go with the long play at 36 or close to it. And my stop loss, this is very important. It had fell below 36. I would put the stop loss at 3,600 exactly. So if it fell below this price, it'll automatically take a loss for me, and I'll keep the remaining instead of losing your whole portfolio in one trade. You'll do that, and then you'll just confirm it. Confirm your take profit and confirm your stop loss, and you'll be set. Now, what I tend to do is after I set my stop loss and take profit, I'll check the chart again, and whichever way I'm selling or buying, like if I'm playing long or short, then I'll go back. Say I'm playing long, I'll go back to where we at and pick a spot on the chart to sell short already, so I can already have it lined up. That's if it's moving in in the pattern. But if it's on a run like a uptrend or a downtrend, then this probably won't work. But if we're moving sideways, going back and forth, up and down, this will definitely work. If I set a long play down here at this resistance level, and I'm expecting it to bounce up, let me change it to the 5-minute chart. And I'm expecting it to bounce up from here, which it's not doing. So being that it's dropping down like this, my stop loss is going to stop it from dropping past 36. So it'll take profit then. But from this indicator, if I'm on the short sale and it drops down this way, then I'll put a buy order at 36.9, right? So I'm a buying long at 36.9, and it's gonna go up, and I'm gonna put probably a marker probably about right around this area right here, which is 37.9. So I'll sell here, then I'll put a short-term signal as far as I'm selling short. I'll put it up here. So if it happens to touch this resistance line and get rejected, then I'm set up in position to take the ride back down. Because basically what it's doing is, boom, off the support, boom, boom, resistance line right here, boom, 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 bouncing off support, down, down. We're hoping to catch the support right here, which I think we're going to catch it and bounce up and maybe hit this resistance. So basically it's going sideways right now, which is a good thing, especially if you're applying leverage, because now it's bouncing in between this support line and this resistance line, so you should be good. You never know how far it's going to go with the news coming out. So I definitely wait to start doing this till after Wednesday, when you know for a fact which way the market's going to be headed. It's a good way to make solid income, a daily income. You just got to know what you're doing. You got to stay up on your technical analysis. And you got to stay tuned in with me. So I'm going to tell y'all one more time. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the videos because they're going to come straight to you once you subscribe to them. And this is stuff you need to know, people. You need to know this. So check back with me on the next vid. Again, this is Black Moses. You on with the truth.